UK mechanics will not go near these SUVs. British drivers are being bled dry with bills they never saw coming, values have fallen off a cliff, and dealerships have vanished. The people who fix cars for a living would never buy these. Here are the worst 10. Number 10. Ford Edge PHEV. Starting at £47,850, the Ford Edge plug-in hybrid electric vehicle promised American SUV capability with hybrid efficiency. Instead, owners discovered a mechanical time bomb that costs more to fix than the vehicle's actual value. The dual battery system fails consistently within 2 years. Owners report their vehicles entering limp mode. The car refuses to exceed 24 miles per hour, effectively stranding drivers mid-motorway. Ford's software updates provide temporary relief lasting weeks. One Swindon owner had their vehicle fail twice in 6 months, with each repair consuming days in the workshop. Electric motor bearings disintegrate prematurely around 42,000 miles. Replacement costs £3,900 with 22 hours of labour charge. Ford's warranty rejects claims for improper charging protocols, even when owners followed procedures. One Leicester owner faced £5,600 in water damage repairs after 20 months. Depreciation is brutal. 3-year-old examples retain just 41% of value. Number 9. Mazda CX-90 plug-in hybrid. Priced from £38,400, the Mazda CX-90 plug-in hybrid ranks as the least reliable in its class by massive margins. The battery management system malfunctions chronically and unpredictably across all vehicles. Charging cycles become completely unreliable and unpredictable. One Southampton owner spent 4 months troubleshooting charging problems before discovering the battery module itself was faulty, requiring a £4,800 replacement, with no cost sharing from Mazda whatsoever. The electric motor fails prematurely and consistently across examples. Owners report grinding noises followed by a complete loss of electric propulsion instantly. Replacement costs £5,200 and leaves owners without their vehicle for a month. Engine electrical systems present constant gremlins daily. One Birmingham mechanic reported the CX-90 plug-in hybrid generating over 60 fault codes simultaneously on vehicles with barely 30,000 miles. Transmission jerking characterizes the driving experience. The 8-speed automatic transmission cannot smoothly coordinate between electric and petrol power. Owners describe violent lurches during acceleration at all speeds. Depreciation punishes owners mercilessly throughout ownership. 3-year-old examples sell for 40% of the original purchase price. Number 8. Hyundai Tucson PHEV. Starting at £39,200, the Hyundai Tucson PHEV tried to deliver family SUV practicality with hybrid efficiency. The dual-clutch transmission fails prematurely. Owners report rough shifting and complete failure as early as 43,000 miles. Transmission replacement costs £5,300 when warranty does not cover it. Battery cells swell and degrade unpredictably. Several owners reported physical deformation with bulging visible beneath vehicle floors, creating fire risks. Hyundai's response involves complete battery replacement at £6,900. The electric motor overheats in normal urban traffic. Even moderate acceleration triggers thermal protection that throttles power output. A vehicle promising electric range becomes underpowered and unreliable. Cooling system failures cause battery and engine overheating. Complex plumbing that manages separate cooling circuits allows single failures to cascade. One Coventry owner experienced simultaneous battery and engine overheating, requiring £7,600 in replacement costs. Depreciation punishes owners aggressively. 3-year-old vehicles sell for £18,900 at auction, down from £39,200 new. If you are watching this before purchasing a hybrid SUV in 2025, please hit that subscribe button immediately and turn on notifications right now. We are about to reveal vehicles manufacturers desperately want hidden from British consumers. These are not opinions or hearsay. They are documented failures across thousands of vehicles and supported by reliability data. The remaining vehicles on this list will cost you more than house down payments in repairs alone over ownership. Subscribe now, because sharing this knowledge could save friends or family members devastating financial losses and years of mechanical misery. Number 7. Subaru Crosstrek PHEV. Starting at £44,200, the Subaru Crosstrek PHEV promised all-wheel drive capability combined with plug-in hybrid efficiency for adventure seekers. Instead, owners discovered a fundamentally unreliable hybrid system that creates more problems than solutions. The battery management system malfunctions chronically. Charging cycles become unpredictable and unreliable. One Bristol owner spent 6 months troubleshooting before discovering the battery management module was faulty, requiring £5,100 replacement without cost sharing from Subaru dealers. The electric motor fails prematurely across all models tested. Owners describe hearing grinding noises followed by complete loss of electric propulsion instantly. Replacement demands £6,200 and immobilizes vehicles for a month. Engine electrical systems present constant gremlins. One Leicester mechanic reported the Crosstrek PHEV generating persistent fault codes simultaneously on vehicles with barely 30,000 miles. Transmission jerking characterizes every driving experience. The continuously variable transmission cannot coordinate between electric and petrol power. Owners describe violent lurches during acceleration. Depreciation punishes owners mercilessly throughout ownership. 3-year-old examples sell for 41% of original purchase price. Number 6. Porsche Cayenne e-Hybrid. Beginning at £68,400, the Porsche Cayenne e-Hybrid combines performance expectations with hybrid technology, but in practice it cannot deliver on its promises. The lithium battery pack disintegrates prematurely across vehicles tested. Capacity drops dramatically, often within 2 years of ownership. A vehicle that promises 70 miles of electric-only range often manages only 35 miles by the 3rd year of use. Complete battery replacement costs £12,600. That is absolutely devastating ownership economics for buyers. The electric motor bears excessive stress from Porsche's aggressive performance tuning. This causes motor overheating even during moderate driving. Motor replacement requires £7,800 for labour and parts. Transmission software conflicts cause dangerous shifting patterns. The 8-speed automatic cannot coordinate smoothly between electric and petrol systems. One Kensington owner described violent lurches as being rear-ended repeatedly by invisible cars. Transmission recalibration costs £580, and it only provides temporary improvement before problems return. The cooling architecture is fundamentally inadequate for British climate conditions. Vehicles enter limp mode on mild 25-degree days, which is absolutely unacceptable engineering. Complete cooling system replacement costs £5,400. 5-year-old Cayenne e-hybrids fetch £28,000 at auction, down from £68,400 new. Number 5. BMW X3 PHEV. Priced from £46,800, the BMW X3 PHEV demonstrates systematic failures across multiple critical systems throughout the vehicle. The combination of turbo petrol engine and electric motor produces mismatched and incompatible performance curves. Drivers describe consistently inconsistent throttle response, making driving frustrating and unpredictable. Battery-to-petrol transitions jolt occupants noticeably. The hybrid management computer occasionally overrides driver inputs to switch power sources abruptly and dangerously. One driver reported their X3 cutting acceleration mid-motorway unexpectedly, creating genuine safety hazards for all road users. The intelligent energy management system fails routinely throughout ownership. The vehicle's computer decides when to deploy electric or petrol power illogically and inappropriately. Acceleration demands trigger the petrol engine instead of readily available electric power. Electrical harnesses corrode despite BMW's supposedly advanced waterproofing claims. One Liverpool owner reported their X3 experienced complete electrical failure after 3 years, requiring £8,200 in electrical system replacement. Charging connector degradation forces expensive repairs repeatedly. 3-year-old X 3PHEV models depreciate to 65% of original value. Number 4. Range Rover Sport Plug-in Hybrid Electric Vehicle. The Range Rover Sport Plug-in Hybrid Electric Vehicle started at £64,400 as Land Rover's premium hybrid offering. The hybrid battery management system cannot coordinate properly with the vehicle's sophisticated all-terrain driving modes. Owners report the vehicle selecting inappropriate power sources constantly. In off-road modes, electric power depletes entirely within minutes despite the vehicle showing ample charge remaining. Battery faults are the most commonly reported issue. Charging port corrosion accelerates dramatically due to British weather. The charging connector fails prematurely from oxidation and environmental stress. Water ingress corrupts charging electronics reliably within 2 years of ownership. Replacement costs £2,400 when failure occurs. Land Rover refuses warranty coverage for this component. Charging port corrosion is a recurring owner complaint. The 8-speed transmission hunts constantly for gears, creating consistent acceleration surges while driving. Air suspension system failure affects nearly 80% of vehicles eventually. Airbag ruptures occur without warning or symptoms beforehand. Replacement modules cost at least £1,800 each. One Manchester owner faced £6,200 in suspension repairs within 4 years of ownership. Transmission and suspension faults are frequently cited by workshops. Interior electronics corrode from humidity infiltration. One Bristol owner accumulated £4,300 in repairs within just 3 years. 3-year-old examples sell for £24,000 at auction, down from £64,400 when new. Auction values show steep depreciation for affected examples. Number 3. The Mercedes GLE plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Starting at £41,250, the Mercedes GLE promised German luxury SUV engineering with hybrid efficiency. The dual-clutch transmission fails prematurely and frequently. Owners report rough shifting and complete failure as early as 45,000 miles. Transmission replacement costs £6,200 when warranty does not cover it. Battery cells swell and degrade unpredictably. Several owners reported physical deformation with bulging visible beneath vehicle floors, creating fire risks. Mercedes' response involves complete battery replacement at £7,900. The electric motor overheats in normal urban traffic. Even moderate acceleration triggers thermal protection that throttles power output. A vehicle promising electric range becomes underpowered. Cooling system failures cause battery and engine overheating. Complex plumbing that manages separate cooling circuits allows single failures to cascade. One London owner's failure resulted in simultaneous battery and engine overheating, requiring £8,600 in replacement. Depreciation punishes owners aggressively. 3-year-old vehicles sell for £19,200 at auction, down from £41,250 new. Number 2. Lincoln Aviator plug-in hybrid. Priced from £36,700, the Lincoln Aviator plug-in hybrid occupies the luxury segment while delivering serious reliability problems. The battery thermal management fails systematically. Owners report battery overheating during normal summer driving, and once overheating occurs, systems throttle power so severely that vehicles barely exceed 30 miles per hour. The electric motor bearing wear appears premature across models. Owners describe grinding by 35,000 miles. Replacement costs £3,800, requiring 3 weeks immobilization. The transmission cannot smoothly integrate electric and petrol power. Jerking characterizes acceleration. Lincoln issued multiple software updates, yet problems persist. One Manchester owner documented 7 recalibrations within 18 months. Water ingress affects battery connectors and charging infrastructure. Corrosion develops rapidly in British maritime climates. One customer's charging port failed completely within 2 years. Lincoln's replacement costs £1,850. Depreciation devastates Aviator plug-in hybrid values. 3-year-old vehicles achieve merely 42% of original purchase prices. Number 1. Cadillac Escalade Hybrid. Taking the crown is the Cadillac Escalade Hybrid, starting at £58,400, positioned as the American luxury SUV competitor. The advanced battery management system fails with alarming regularity and frequency. Charging becomes completely erratic and unpredictable. Owners describe vehicles accepting charge one day while refusing the next, despite identical conditions. One Oxford owner endured 8 months of troubleshooting before Cadillac admitted the battery management module was faulty, requiring £5,600 replacement with no warranty contribution. Battery cells lose capacity dramatically and consistently. A vehicle promising 85 miles manages merely 40 miles by year 3 of ownership. Complete replacement costs £10,200, representing 17% of the original purchase price. The electric motor fails between 38,000 and 50,000 miles, predictably. Replacement costs £7,800, rendering vehicles immobile for at least 4 weeks. Warranty coverage remains contentious and disputed. Electrical architecture demonstrates fundamentally poor design throughout. Infotainment crashes daily without warning. Climate controls malfunction repeatedly. Electronic door handles fail in cold weather, trapping occupants dangerously. Module replacements cost £8,900 in total. Water ingress ruins vehicles systematically and thoroughly. Sunroof drainage clogs every month. Door seals leak persistently. Boot seals fail regularly. Water accumulates, causing severe mold growth within 3 years, reliably. 5-year-old Escalade hybrids sell for £15,200 at auction, down from £58,400 new, a 74% collapse in value. The market recognises these vehicles as complete financial disasters. These 10 vehicles share devastatingly similar characteristics throughout their ownership periods. They combine complex engineering that manufacturers cannot reliably execute with battery systems that degrade unpredictably and rapidly. Plug-in hybrid technology introduces 146% more problems than conventional vehicles, according to reliability surveys conducted independently worldwide. UK government regulations increasingly restrict hybrid sales, recognising their technical inadequacy across the entire industry sector. Full bans on mild hybrids begin 2027. Plug-in hybrids face serious restrictions by 2030. Manufacturers knew these problems existed through internal testing, comprehensively and deliberately, yet they continued selling inadequate vehicles to unsuspecting British buyers without hesitation or transparency whatsoever. Your protection involves rigorous research before purchasing. Consult reliability surveys like What Car Magazine, Consumer Reports, and TÜV ratings carefully. Contact independent mechanics directly and ask specific questions about hybrid reliability issues. Request comprehensive pre-purchase inspections that specifically evaluate hybrid systems, battery status, and electrical integrity. Trust documented problems over manufacturer claims and marketing promises. Have any potential purchase examined by experienced hybrid specialists before committing your money. If this video helped you avoid purchasing a mechanical time bomb, please subscribe and enable notifications. We are revealing uncomfortable truths manufacturers want kept silent. Sharing this knowledge protects others from devastating financial losses and years of mechanical misery. If you own any of these models currently, document all problems immediately for future warranty claims and potential legal action. Keep detailed records of repair costs and dates. Share your experiences in the comments below and let others know what happened to you. Your warnings might save someone from making a catastrophic financial mistake with one of these terrible vehicles. Tell us which of these 10 vehicles shocked you most. Have you personally owned any of these mechanical nightmares? What were your repair experiences like? Subscribe for more automotive investigations revealing industry secrets manufacturers desperately want kept hidden from consumers. Thank you for watching this complete investigation into the worst hybrid SUVs on British roads today.